Hi, this is Paulo from AEvent support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get your API key for Sendin Blue or Brevo. First, please log in to your Brevo account. Once logged in, from the home page, click on the drop-down arrow right beside your name from the upper right-hand side. Click on SMTP and API. Click on API keys. From here, you'll see all the API keys you have. Click on Generate a new API key. In this example, we'll be naming the new API key as AEvent API. Click Generate. Click on the Copy button, then click OK. We have successfully copied your API key. Save it somewhere because you'll be using it to integrate Brevo to AEvent. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when we add more videos.